Hey guys, well I was on Coastal Cams, Coastal Watch this afternoon. I saw that dozer, D8, pushing dirt at Bondi Beach, so I jumped in my car and flew up there. She was a cracker of a day. I'm glad I did it. So anyway, I've been on Facebook and YouTube and that, and I've sussed out a few things, speaking to Carl and a few people, but top of the list is this Queen Victoria half crown. 1888. Awesome. I've never found a coin that old before, but 1888. Penny there, and the penny is 1916. Half penny 1955. And nice gold watch, but it's not really gold plated or something. But Casio computerized. Nice find. Cheap sunglasses and some Johnny Ray-Bans. Yeah, nice one. That was a good one. And oh god, I hate these Calypsos. Now, after this big run here, I was trying to get a ring, and I'll tell you what, I was gagging at the mouth just at the end, just on Sunset for a ring, but couldn't jag one. And right at the end, for the last hour and a half, all I did was pull up about 20 of these aluminium pull tabs. I don't know what possessed me to start hitting them, but you know, it was coins all day, and a bit of everything, a mixed bag. And right at the end of the night, pull tab after pull tab after pull tab. Couldn't believe it. But anyway, 1888 coin there, Victoria half crown. 1888, nice one. And Ray-Bans and a watch, and it's still ticking. Awesome. Alright guys, that's a wrap up. I'm done. It's 2 in the morning, and there's my junk I've been collecting, but now I'm collecting them in little containers so I can weigh them up after each gig. So all that junk there will go into that other box now. And only 2 more days left of the comp. Alright guys, I'm going to bed. See ya.